guys, welcome back to once again. Welcome back to my channel. New and latest crochet, beautiful clutch and beautiful ideas. Crochet handbag styling, like textured to inspire and experiment the textured stitches like popcorn and bubble or cable stitches to create a visually appealing texture, and embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. And latest ideas, granny square bag, create colorful granny squares and join them to make a retro inspired bag. Clutch elegant and perfect formal look for event functions and different wedding ceremony and different looks. You can find crochet pattern. You can find crochet pattern for this design online, or create your own costume design by experimenting with different stages and yarn colors. Happy crocheting. Stylish crochet handbags design often invaluable unique texture, colors and styles are some ideas for creating stylish crochet handbags. Beautiful stitches pattern with vibrant color for a trendy, eye-catching look. So I hope you like it. New and latest design and latest ideas. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.